what's the difference between viral and trending? Click and bait. Clickbait. Bait is a small amount of food on the hook. Hi, I'm Karina and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the top 15 social media terms in English for business and personal use. Social media plays a very important role in today's world. We use it for personal needs, for business, for school. We learn new information, share ideas, interact with new people and organizations, especially since the lockdown. So let's learn the 15 words you need to know about the social media. The word number 1, platform.
That's the platform. He's describing the platform.
All these social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc., are called platforms. This is where you can share with your content, photos, videos, your thoughts, and people can engage each other, which leads us to another word. The word number 2, engagement. Social media engagement is a measurement of comments, likes, and shares. So the more likes, comments, and other communication you have on your social media platform, the better the engagement. And it is critical for people who work in social media. People like bloggers, vloggers, YouTubers, influencers, and so on. The word number 3, blogger.
I'd be lost without my blogger.
A blogger is a person who regularly writes materials for a blog. And a blog is a regular record of your thoughts, opinions, or experience that you put on the internet for other people to read. For example, she writes a food blog in which she shares recipes and tips. The word number 4, vlogger. Vlogger. And a vlogger is the person who creates a vlog. A vlog, it's a video blog. So it's also a record of your thoughts, opinions, and experience that you film and publish on the internet. For example, a vlog of your day. So you just film everything you do during the day, edit it, and post on YouTube or any other social media platform. And if you want to see a vlog about a day in the life of an entrepreneur, click here. The word number 5, influencer.
Author, TV personality, and social media influencer.
And this word sounds actually pretty cool. As for me, influencer. Nice. And this person has the power to influence many people to have a certain effect on them. People listen to them, they follow their advice, or buy something that they recommend. And that is why many companies ask influencers to help them sell products or information, and etc. Companies always look for influencers who can promote their brand. Well, generally influencers have over 10,000 followers, and their opinion matters to people, or they respect their opinion. The word number 6, follower. A follower is a user who follows your account and sees all your published photos and the information. And you can be somebody's follower if you're subscribed to their account to receive their updates, their new photos, new videos, new information that they publish. Number 7, trending. Trending.
We're trending up, boys. We are trending up.
Pretty interesting word as well. When something is trending, it means that it is extremely popular now. It is when a popular news story or event is being talked about, mentioned or discussed on the internet, especially on the social media websites. For example, as soon as the lockdown started, work from home became a trending topic, which means that everyone started talking about it a lot and it became a very popular topic. The next phrase, number 8, is to go viral. to go viral. When something becomes popular and spreads quickly, we can say it has gone viral. So when real virus spreads through people or computers, that is a very bad thing. However, when a piece of social media content goes viral, it's usually very positive. If a video, image, or story goes viral, it spreads quickly and widely on the internet through social media and email. For example, their amazing video of the project has now gone viral with millions of viewers. So what's the difference between viral and trending? So when something goes viral, it is one thing, for example, a video that spreads quickly, everybody watch it and then forget about it. And something that is trending is more like a topic and more people start talking about it. So it is not just one thing, it's like a topic or a category. And the more people add something to it, they discuss it, they mention it in their stories, they post it, and so on. Number 9, feed. Feed. A feed is the web page, screen, etc. that updates, so it means changes very often to show you the latest information. For example, your Twitter feed refreshes automatically to show you new tweets. A tweet is a post that you see on Twitter. The goal of a feed or news feed is to connect you to what matters most to you. The people in your life, content that you're interested in, and the world around you. Whether it's on Twitter or on Facebook or indeed on any other social media, feeds help to organize all your favorite content. Photos, videos, articles into one easy place. A quick tip, don't subscribe to too many things. Only subscribe to things and people you really care about to keep your feed clear and organized. For example, Janet. Facebook can be so annoying. My feed is full of annoying cat pictures. Dan. Maybe you should unsubscribe from some groups? Janet. I think I will. Tomorrow I will spend some time organizing my feed. The word number 10, clickbait. Clickbait. We can divide this word into parts, click and bait. Clickbait. Well, click is what you do on your computer mouse. You click. Bait is a small amount of food on the hook or in a special device used to attract and catch a fish or animals. I'm definitely not an expert here because I caught only one fish in my life. But I'm sure it's extremely hard to catch a fish without a bait. The hook itself, it's not interesting, it's not tasty, it's not attractive even. But if you put some food on the hook, it becomes attractive and you can catch a fish. Have you ever seen those articles that people sometimes share on social media with those titles like I started writing an article about English, but you won't believe what happened next? Well, here you go. This is called a clickbait. Their headlines make a person want to click the link and read the article. And the word number 11, tag. Tag. It is basically a link to somebody's profile from a photo or comment on the website, such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. For example, you can remove your tag from a photo on Facebook if you don't like this picture. I do it sometimes, guilty as charged. The word number 12, hashtag.
Hashtag over, hashtag jokes.
Hashtag is a simple hash, and after this hash you can write any word and you will create a hashtag. It is used on social media for describing the general topic of a post. Hashtag allow people to easily follow the topics they are interested in. For example, I'm interested in interior design, so I can find hashtags like home decor, decoration, home style, etc. I can click or tap them, and right away I will see all the posts, photos, videos, articles that include that hashtag. The word number 13, direct message. And this is another useful term, and people often say just simply DM, direct message. It means a private message sent on social media website that only the person that it is sent to can see. And it is better to give any personal details by direct message. People use it a lot, especially on the Instagram. You can see it in stories, posts, and so on. People often say DM me, which means send me a direct message. The next word, number 14, is emoji. Emojis are small digital images that you can send along with the text and social media and private messages, direct messages, to express your feelings, communicate emotions in the way that the words sometimes cannot. Emojis are meant to be fun. Emojis also have this ability to make it easier to understand your simple text or email. For example, when you respond with okay, it can mean anything. It can mean I agree, or it appears that you're frustrated or feeling impatient. When you add emojis to this text, for example, okay and a smiling face, it causes less worry, and you truly understand the message better. And one of my favorite emojis is a smiling face with squinting eyes, because this emoji often express genuine happiness and warm and positive feelings. And I would love to know your favorite emoji, so please let me know in the comments down below. The word number 15, handle. And it's not a handle on the door. A user's handle is also known as a user's name. It begins with the @ symbol followed by your account name. For example, this is my Instagram handle, or my user's name on the Instagram. Each handle is unique and can be used to find or mention other users on the platform. I hope this video was helpful to you. Social media is getting bigger, so know the correct English terms and use this vocabulary. If you like this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back for more helpful videos on English and other things.